Okay, so this is the other kind of problem that you're going to need to know how to work. Mostly what I worry about with you guys is forgetting what you already know, because this is just a Q equals mcat equation, but now that we've learned the molar heat of vaporization and molar heat of fusion equations, I'm afraid you might not recognize these. So when we do Q equals mcat, one indicator, one way that you know that you're going to be using that equation is if you're comparing two of the same things in the same state. So we use the Q equals mcat equation for changes within a state. So to solve this equation, I'm just going to set it up the way that we've already known. We're trying to find energy loss, so that would be energy, our Q, and then we have 54 grams as our mass. And our specific heat of steam is 2.01. And our change in temperature is final minus initial, so we're going to do the 112 minus the 150. So you'll end up with a negative number here, but that's nothing to worry about because we are looking for energy loss. When energy is being lost, you can expect that it'll be negative because we're going from a higher state of matter to a lower state of matter. So all you have to do from here is plug it into your calculator, and I got negative 4,124.52. Now what we need to figure out is sig figs. So remember, we don't ever look at temperature for sig figs, which means we're going to have to look at this mass. If I need to turn this into 2 sig figs, I have two options. I can do negative 4,100. And remember my units for this, because we're looking for change in energy, this is going to be in joules because that's how it comes out of the equation. If I needed to convert it later for whatever reason, I could, but it comes out of the equation in joules. So I can write it like that, or I can do negative 4.1 times 10 to the third. Both of those would be correct as long as you put the correct units on there.